Welcome to today's video. Have you ever noticed silver being used in bandages and wound care products and wondered why? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the science behind silver and its amazing healing powers that have been trusted for centuries. Silver has long been valued for its antibacterial properties, dating back to ancient times, and it continues to play a crucial role in modern medicine. The key lies in silver ions, which are highly effective at killing harmful bacteria without damaging human cells, perfect for treating open wounds and burns. Silver dressings are often used to prevent infections and promote faster healing, particularly in burn victims where the risk of infection is extremely high. But that's not all. Silver is gaining even more attention as the threat of antibiotic-resistant bacteria grows. With fewer antibiotics working effectively against some superbugs, silver offers a promising alternative. We'll explore how silver is currently being used in wound care and look ahead to its exciting future in medicine, as researchers work on new ways to harness its healing potential. Silver's remarkable ability to fight infections makes it a go-to choice for treating wounds, burns, and even in the battle against drug-resistant bacteria. As we face new medical challenges, silver's healing properties are proving to be more valuable than ever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating insights into the world of medicine and science.